to draw it today. This is my makeup, which is also a kind of screenshot saved when you see it at a glance. The degree is really beautiful, so let's try it first. I'll spray the spray before makeup. As a result, as soon as you wipe my face, you may apply makeup. If so, today is a regular visibility of the painting corner. Plan. After applying eye makeup, brighten it up, because I also prefer eye makeup, and then organize the ones below. Just put it all after makeup. We spent the afternoon repairing facelifts. The drawn line seems to be a little finer. We still have a lot of repetitions. This time, the beauty feels quite delicate. Let's use this color first. Gently fill the breath. This dress. Are the flowers that lingering transparent pink? For eyeshadow, I will choose this peach color. It's not very suitable for you. It's this fine flash with its own loss. Dip by hand. Click on the eyelids. Then, a clean finger gave him a twist. It will have this very delicate orange effect. Still, this color is a little sexy. A lot of that orange soap feeling. The overall makeup effect is very light. Added this flash. It's the kind that's very clear and delicate, just a little bit like angel tears. It's very beautiful in summer. Add this eyelash a little bit. Apply the gap between the eyelashes. My eyelashes are directly bold, right? Show it with brown glue. Or just look at the lower limb. After you glance at him like this, you have to brush it. For eyelashes and eyelashes, I am these two. Suddenly this pose feels okay to me. You are naked. I'm here again, this is when I shoot. Which layer is also wiped directly for me? I don't know. I had a lot of fun drawing there. Then I just put on no makeup. Then I only draw inner eyeliner now. Share with you how to draw this upturned eyeliner. Take a look. In fact, my double eyelid folds are relatively long, right? If I start up here at the end of my eye, he can actually be a little weird. So here we are, from the end of the eye. Start it a little bit. My own habit is to level it out like this first. And start filling in this. The upper triangle. He kind of drew on the upper folds. It doesn't really matter. That's one. Take a look. This is a very profitable, this kind of upper and lower eyeliner. If you say, do you think the double eyelids are pulled down? If it looks better, we can use double eyelid stickers. Use a partial double eyelid sticker. Just hold it up a little bit. Take a look at the complete and plain makeup. Only eyeliner. It can still change the shape of your eyes. Take a look at the approximate shape. After it comes out, we will use black eyeliner. Shake him up a bit, if you like to be with him. If you want him to be a little more tilted, you deepen the meaning. Upper part. Wait a minute, face makeup. Because I just didn't light up the hair. Use pink light. The girl below takes the girl below. If it is pink and white, he will feel a little too bright. The whole of Inner Mongolia has to light him up. And then there's the forehead. Then we use a little matte highlight powder. Fix this part. Mainly the eye socket here. Oops, click the highlight again. Blush, blush. I want to use this too. A light sweep is enough. It looks very tender, like this kind of fine glitter that slides on the face. It makes this makeup more translucent to see. Eyebrow bone here, a little bit. This time, the mouth is too delicate. My mouth is very picky. I'm going to make it smaller. And a naked apricot. Go. I'm going to change my eyeballs and get my hairstyle done now. I think this hairstyle is difficult. I'll try it. And you have a city.